Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be giving my review of LegalZoom, covering its services, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it's worth it. Let's get started. Here's why. LegalZoom offers three main services: assisting with starting businesses, helping run businesses, and providing legal protection. For registering an LLC, LegalZoom offers three plans. The first one is the basic plan, which is free, though it does not include state filing fees. These fees vary depending on your location, so be sure to research them. LegalZoom assists you with organizing all the necessary documents for registering your LLC. They help you choose an available name and provide a step-by-step checklist for post-registration tasks. Additionally, they offer tools to create your own website using Wix without needing to learn coding. Wix makes website creation as easy as possible. Next, we have the Pro plan, which costs around $249, excluding state fees. This plan includes everything from the basic package, plus 4 additional services. LegalZoom also helps create an operating agreement to organize the internal workings of your business. They even arrange a phone consultation with one of their experts. Let me tell you, a phone consultation is far better than emailing back and forth over the course of several days. Then there's the premium package, which includes everything from the pro and basic plans, plus additional benefits. With this package, you'll get access to a business attorney who can guide you through any complexities and offer multiple half-hour consultations on any topics you're unsure about. Additionally, if you need to make any changes to your LLC documents within the first 30 days, they'll handle it for you at no extra cost. Let me tell you, making changes later on is far more difficult than being careful beforehand. The fact that LegalZoom offers to help its customers with any changes within the first 30 days is incredibly generous. LegalZoom has an impressive team of experienced professionals ready to assist you with any issues at any time. When you select a state, they assign you an attorney from that state, ensuring they are well-versed in local laws. Now, I know I mentioned this before, but the range of services offered by LegalZoom is extensive, so you won't need to consult with anyone else. However, as promised, I'll be transparent about everything, so here are a few cons of their services. First of all, it's clear that LegalZoom isn't cheap, but if you're willing to invest, I think it's really worth it. Another point is that they can be a bit slow. I wasn't on a tight deadline, so it wasn't a big issue for me, but it's important to plan your deadlines accordingly. That brings us to the end of our video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.